welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surabhi Sahney, the host and the founder of the channel Dr. Surabhi Sahney Dental Series and Medical Videos. Today I am gonna talk about the tips and tricks regarding what steps you have to learn before 2 months of the Neet PG as well as for the Neet MDS 2022. So without wasting time, let's get started. First tip is that the secret recipe is you have to revise your own note which you have written it yourself. That means revise your handwritten own notes. First day you will revise for like 3 to 4 hours. Then second day again you can revise that note like it will take a lesser time. For example 2 to 3 hours. Then third day also if you revise your own notes again and again, it will take lesser time to revise the same topic. The second tip is that you have to do the previous year question paper, whether it is the All India PG previous year question paper or the Neet MDS or the Neet PG question paper or the INSET or the AIMS question paper, whether it's for Neet MDS or it's for Neet PG. Yes, because of the two main factors, you have to do the previous year question papers before Neet MDS 2022 or Neet PG 2022. The first importance is that you get to know which part is important, which chapter is important, which topic is important, relevant and repeated in the previous year question paper. Maybe you get some question out of it or the exact same question from the previous year question paper. And second point is that suppose you can practice the previous year question paper. Let's say question paper may have 200 questions in each paper. Let's say you have to do the 21 previous year question paper. So it's nearly about 200 को जब हम 21 से multiply करेंगे तो it give rise to the 4000 plus questions. So अगर आप एक दिन में 100 से लेके 120 questions भी practice करते हैं या आप go through कर लेते हैं from the previous year question paper, then you can easily cover the previous year question paper in the 40 days. And already you have more than 60 plus days in your hand. So what you are waiting for? Go and just do the previous year question paper because they are the backbone of your preparation. That if you want the previous year question paper for the Neet MDS or for the Neet PG, you can contact me by any of the mode, whether through the Gmail which is shown on your screen, or you can also follow me on my Instagram with my Instagram ID shown on your screen. You can DM me on my Instagram or you can comment in the comment section or you can drop your number or even you can mail on my email ID and get the PDFs regarding the solved paper for the Neet PG as well as for the Neet MDS. Third tip is that you have to do the image based questions from the standard books. यानी कि आपको इमेजेस जितनी भी देखनी है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आपको स्टैंडर्ड बुक से ही करनी है. एंड मेक श्योर इमेज के नीचे जो 2-3 लाइनें होती हैं उनको आप डेफिनेटली पढ़े. That means all those lines which is written just below the image, you have to read it carefully because some question may be picked up from those lines too. Number 4, you have to give the mock test at least one mock test in a week because that mock test will help you to tell where you stand. How is your preparation going on? Which subject is your weak? Which subject is your strong? Once you have done with the practice of the MCQs or you have given the mock test, don't sleep over your problems. You have to work on your weak points. कौन सा subject weak है, कौन सा topic weak है, कहाँ mistake हो रही है, you have to work on that. Next, MCQ which you have circled while studying for the Neet MDS or the Neet PG for the first time. From whatever book you have started, whether Pearl से पढ़ा हो, गौरी शंकर से पढ़ा हो, किसी से भी पढ़ा हो, जो आपने उसे फर्स्ट टाइम सर्कल किया था कि ये प्रॉब्लम है इस क्वेश्चन में या कंसेप्ट समझना है, उन MCQs को आपको फिर से करना पड़ेगा. And tip number 7, always and always give revision and read the problematic topic. For example, mandibular fracture, which is very important topic for the NEET MDS. And the last tip, crack the NEET MDS or the NEET PG is your concept, your knowledge and your data which you have and which you will revise for the NEET MDS and as well as for the NEET PG. आपके concepts जितने clear होंगे, data जितना होगा आपके पास, जितनी आप knowledge gain कर पाओगे, उतना ही आप जल्दी इस paper को crack कर पाओगे. So that's all about the tips and tricks regarding the NEET PG 2022 as well as the NEET MDS 2022. All I want in return is you have to subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as you can. And hit the like button so as it can motivate me to make more and more videos. And don't forget to check out the marathon regarding the NEET MDS as well as NEET PG for the upcoming 2022 exam. If you have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. You can also follow me on my Instagram with my Instagram ID shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.